So how do you use a signal? Now for a moment, I'm going to pretend you're not an inbound BDR or SDR leveraging buying intent signals. Those are obvious. You see a signal, somebody raises their hand, they're interested, you call them. I'm going to imagine that you're selling complex B2B solutions, you're an account executive, you might be a customer success leader for key accounts. How do I leverage these? Well, remember that what you're gathering is left brain intelligence. You're gathering information to make informed decisions. That intelligence needs to be pulled over to the right side of your brain to develop an engagement strategy that's bold and different from your competition. I recommend that you pause for a second and you take that intelligence and you place it into what we would call a war room, which means a key account plan. That key account plan might be a one-pager, but it's part of a puzzle. You might find buying intent, product usage, intelligence, competitive intelligence, relationship road mapping, time-based signals, but that's all pieces of your puzzle that helps you back up, pause, use structured objective thinking to say to yourself, okay, I need an engagement strategy. An engagement strategy and an engagement framework comes with three pieces. I need to have stories to tell, I need mediums to tell stories through, and I need a cadence and an order of operations to telling those stories. So I use my signal intelligence to build out a storyline of how I'm going to engage that customer. Pause, structured objective thinking, then engage.